Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this intro video edit in CapCut PC. So I have 4 of these videos here. I think I do have to mask them. I think I'm just going to start with the shortest duration one here so that I can mask everything together. Here I'm just going to select the rectangle one and I'm just going to kind of mask it. I'm just going to add in some round corners as well, maybe just like a little bit, and I'm going to place it somewhere. Just going to make it a little bit bigger actually. Here, just going to copy and paste that 4 times, like so. Okay, and then I'm going to just replace these clips with different videos. And let's see, one more. Okay, I don't like that, so I'm just going to switch it for something else. Okay, can't somehow place that in there. Why does it have to be black at the beginning though? Well, I'm just going to use these 3 and I'm just going to like add like a title here. And then I'm going to select background and I'm going to select white and I'm just going to place it here. I'm just going to freeze frame it first though. I do have to add it in the frame, so I'm just going to copy and paste it actually, and I'm just going to place it in there. I don't think I can do that. Well, I can make it a little bit smaller actually and do that. Can I place it? I want to replace it like this. There we go. Oof. Will it not mask it somehow? Hold on, let me see the mask. Oh, it's like that, right? Okay. Let me just adjust it to the video. Like so. Just going to freeze frame this one. Okay. Now we have this. We are going to place the opacity at like around 50 first. And then here, I'm going to move it to 0. I'm just going to copy and paste that on top of the other one, but I'm just going to move it, of course. Going to move that on top. It's a little bit tricky to do, but I'll manage. And I'm going to move the first keyframe here, if I can just select it. I'm just going to move it there, and I'm going to move this keyframe a little bit further. Then I'm going to copy and paste this one last time, and I'm going to place that here. And I'm just going to put that a little bit further like so. And I'm going to place it on the 3rd one. Make sure you do that. Don't forget to write like a title here or wherever, and that is it. Can I? Hold on. Oh, I think I did it the other way around. Sorry. Let me just select this keyframe. Can I not change this? Wait, why is it back there again? Okay, that's just weird. That's one. Oh, okay. There we go. Did this one move? No, okay. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!